Hello guys, after so long, welcome back with a fresh new video. Basically, I'm creating this video on Friday 2nd May 6:27 am. I don't know if you can see it or not, but eventually my day starts at 3 am. Why I'm creating this video right now? There are two purposes to creating these videos. First is just I want to give you a quick little bit small announcement about my another channel in which I'm going to post what I'm planning, what I'm doing right now besides of editing, what's my plan and what's my goal or day-to-day life. Maybe just and some other stuff of contents you can watch on my second channel. The link is in the description. If you want to go, you can check it out and just subscribe up. That's your choice. Okay, now the main purpose for creating this video is basically, I'm telling you from so long, I'm telling you again and again that following these steps will improve your style, following this step will improve your style, do this. I'm just making comparison videos, reference based videos, improvement based videos on any niche. But today, here is the thing. The main purpose for creating this video is to show you the live proof, like really these things work. Because some of you, not some of you, but 90% of people thinks like this is a rubbish knowledge or this is a trash knowledge. It's like really informative videos, but those who watch, who knows, they get to know that really these are the golden information. But those who don't watch my full videos, they think like, bro, it's boring, you must need edits, you must need effects and stuff in every new seconds or every new minute just to make your videos engaging. But bro, those who really want to learn, they don't look for the animations and engagement, they look for the information which is in the video. But still, that's my point of view. Okay, so basically I'm training one editor from last 5 days, you can say, and the improvement you can see is completely golden improvement. I took 3 calls only, I trained him, I guide him. The guidance which I gave him is like kind of a golden guidance, but I just guided him up and just told him, but make sure bro, open up your ears what I'm telling you right now. The information which I'm telling on call is the same information which I'm telling on my older videos, but the thing is, in videos you are getting kind of a upper part of informations, but in calls you are getting deep information. Now don't think like I'm doing discrimination that, oh my god, you are telling a little bit information in videos and you are telling a deep down information in calls. Why I'm telling that calls have deep information? Because in calls it's just like one-on-one, it's just you and me. You're asking me questions, I'm solving your questions, I'm solving your mysteries and tricks and tips. So it's just like one-on-one call, you're getting your doubt a little bit more clear, and in the same time if I'm getting any new ideas just to guide you, I'm just telling you at that moment. In videos I'm just making what I'm feeling, but in calls you also telling me your own thoughts, what you're feeling, what you have doubts, or how can you solve the things. I improved him on just 3 calls. It just took me 3 or 4 calls, and it was not like 2 hours or 3 hours calls. It's just hardly 40 minutes, 45 minutes, or maybe something around 35 minutes just on a call. And the improvement you can see, like I will show you his first video which he edited, and then I will just give you the breakdown process of the videos which he edited. The first one which he did is just was the raw clip videos and putting up the subtitles. In the second one you can see a little bit difference, in the third one you can also see a little bit difference. Now I'm just playing up the video, you can simply watch the video and you can get to know the difference you will see in his videos.
We've seen our first national level hunter in solo leveling, from the insane fights from episode 12 with Jinwoo vs Bedu and episode 13, the last of season 2, showing the cleanup and other major story points. We see Liu Zhigang, the strongest hunter in China, one of the 5 national hunters and ranking second in the entire world. This dude is insane, being a master swordsman and able to release explosive energy from his swings, but what really sets him apart, and here's your spoiler warning, is his ruler's authority, which allows him to control and move objects using telekinesis, which is an exclusive skill given to rulers and their human vessels. We've seen Jinwoo use it quite a lot, pulling his daggers back to him, but this is our first seeing it with another hunter. We've seen our first national level hunter in solo leveling, from the insane fights from episode 12 with Jinwoo vs Bedu and episode 13, the last of season 2, showing the cleanup and other major story points. We see Liu Zhigang, the strongest hunter in China, one of the 5 national hunters and ranking second in the entire world. This dude is insane, being a master swordsman and able to release explosive energy from his swings, but what really sets him apart, and here's your spoiler warning, is his ruler's authority, which allows him to control and move objects using telekinesis, which is an exclusive skill given to rulers and their human vessels. We've seen Jinwoo use it quite a lot, pulling his daggers back to him, but this is our first seeing it with another hunter. We've seen our first national level hunter in solo leveling, from the insane fights from episode 12 with Jinwoo vs Bedu and episode 13, the last of season 2, showing the cleanup and other major story points. We see Liu Zhigang, the strongest hunter in China, one of the 5 national hunters and ranking second in the entire world. This dude is insane, ability, being a master swordsman and able to release explosive energy from his swings, but what really sets him apart, and here's your spoiler warning, is his ruler's authority, which allows him to control and move objects using telekinesis, which is an exclusive skill given to rulers and their human vessels. We've seen Jinoo use it quite a lot, pulling his daggers back to him, but this is our first seeing it with another hunter.
Have you ever wondered what would happen if Luffy's first mate was Ace instead of Zoro? Would Ace still be alive? Would the crew stay the same? And what would happen to the Whitebeard crew? So, the story would start off as it did in the canon timeline. Luffy, Ace, and Sabo would meet, have their bond, and Sabo would tragically die, and so on. The story starts to change when Luffy first sets off on his voyage to become Pirate King. He meets Kobe, and the two set off together. But instead of ending up in Shellstown and meeting Zoro, they wind up drifting off to a different marine base, one that was holding a certain pirate captive, Portgas D. Ace. Now, we know how Luffy's story first changed, but what about Ace? Well, Ace is a loyal follower of Whitebeard in the canon, but in this scenario, Ace kept on going with his original pirate crew, the Spade Pirates, never encountering Whitebeard, and that's why he won't be as strong as he was in the canon since his adventures, they're strengthened. Have you ever wondered what would happen if Luffy's first mate was Ace instead of Zoro? Would Ace still be alive? Would the crew stay the same? And what would happen to the Whitebeard crew? So, the story would start off as it did in the canon timeline. Luffy, Ace, and Sabo would meet, have their bond, and Sabo would tragically die, and so on. The story starts to change when Luffy first sets off on his voyage to become Pirate King. He meets Kobe, and the two set off.
So well, you can completely see the big difference in the first, which he submitted me. It was just a clip and unmessy up subtitles, which he did, and just a few of image, one or two image which he used in his timeline. In the second one, you can see that you find a little bit kind of improvement, but not still the improvement which I wanted. Like the proper image PNG placements, proper image you have to select, the go through process, the brainstorming little bit, and then he submitted me second one, then after he submitted me the third one, and now it's the time for the fourth one. Even in my older videos I supposed to tell you that, bro, if I give you one voiceover, you can make 3 or 4 different type of edits from just one voiceover, which I do. Okay, you see, like what I'm telling you is 100% real information, so just watch my videos and you will improve your edits. It's just a simple thing which I'm telling you from so long. Watch my videos. If you don't want to watch your videos, you don't want to improve, bro, you are just really supposed to care that what I'm coming up from animation here or something like that. You are just an attention seeker, but not a knowledge seeker. So basically, that's your fault, that's not my problem. But this video is just to prove myself that what I am saying is 100% legit. This video is just to prove myself. This video is just to prove you guys that what I'm telling you is the same thing that I'm planning up with this process, and he's just literally giving up with the results. Second thing, one more important thing is his system is not even a good kind of a capability having right now. Like, he cannot use After Effects. If he use, you can see a big explosion in his house. Low specification, basically you can say i3 or i4, and 8GB RAM. Basically hardly well works in his specs, I guess. But basically that's the thing, bro. I just told him that if you want to lock in, he just have to delete the games and all these things, then you just focus on the edits, which he's doing right now. And soon I will make him from here to here. That's my promise to him, and that's my promise to you. If you also that you just want to make your current edits, and if you want to join my company, you can just simply hit me up a DM. I have a vision to make it here, okay? And when I'm building my company here, I also build my editors value here. So basically that's the thing, and I'm just closing up the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you really watched this video till the end, I don't know that if you're watching it or not, and I'm hardly getting time to creating videos like this. Still I have few of projects pending, some meetings to do, guiding the editors and all these things. This is just the one editor which I'm guiding right now. I didn't show you the 2 of editors. So basically you can say I'm just proving my potential, that what I'm capable of, bro. I'm just proving up that how you can improve your edits. And if you want to go on one-on-one call, if you want to join my agency as a work, if you really are amazing editor, then bro, you just hit me up a DM. I'm really looking for co-editor in my team to just guide my rest editors, because it's very hard to manage my time, bro, at this point. So I'm just closing up the video. I think I'm just talking a lot. And yeah, in the description box you can find my social handles. See you in the next video, guys. Soon. Okay, bye bye.